Moodle assignments, online marking with PDF assignments. This video will look at how the PDF upload assignment works and how you can use this to annotate and mark students' work online. I have here a new assignment ready to set up. There are only two differences when setting up a PDF submission rather than a normal file submission. The first is here in the Submission Types section. All you need to do is change from File to PDF Submissions. The second is here in the Feedback Types section. You will need to select PDF Feedback and deselect Feedback Files unless you plan to do both. All other fields can be set up as normal. For more information on setting up a new assignment and all the different sections, please see the separate video. Once the assignment is set up, it will look exactly like any other assignment, but students will only be able to submit PDF files. It is very simple to save files as PDF or to convert them, but if students need guidance, a separate video is available to show them how to make PDFs and how to submit assignments. Once students have submitted their assignments, you can go to the View and Grade Submissions area as usual. Select the student you will be grading and click the icon in the Grade column. You'll then see an overview of their submission, followed by an area to enter their actual grade. You can leave this blank until you've read and annotated their submission. Below the grade section is the PDF feedback area. Click Annotate Submission and you will then see the assignment submission with a selection of tools at the top. You can use these tools to annotate and feedback on the assignment as you would with pen and paper. Once saved, the student will be able to view your annotations in addition to their grade. You can navigate the pages of a document using the arrow keys and the drop-down box to the top left. The types of annotation available are on this row on the right. The central section of buttons allows you to change the colour or shape of the various tools selected from the right section. The first tool is Comments. This creates a coloured square into which you can type comments or notes. You can select different colours of comment using the drop-down options in the centre. To change the colour of a comment after you've created it, just right-click and select from the menu. If you write a lot of comments, you can jump to one in particular using the drop-down of comments that automatically creates itself here at the top. The Line tool allows you to create straight lines for underlining or for use as arrows. The Square and Circle tools draw these shapes, and the Pencil tool allows you to draw or write freehand. This ABC button is actually a highlight text tool, creating a neat coloured highlight over selected areas. To use a different colour for the Line, Shape, Freehand or Highlight tools, simply use the central Line Colour tool to select which colour you'd like to use. The Stamp tool has 4 predefined shapes that you can stamp onto the assignment with a single click. Just select the stamp you want to use from the central Choose Stamp. The last tool is the Erase button. Once you've selected this button, just click on an annotation to remove it. The Erase button doesn't work on comments. To delete these, right-click on them and select Delete Comment. If you need to stop and return later at any time before you're completely finished, just click Save Draft Annotations and return to marking when you're ready. Once you've completely finished marking, click the Generate Response file and your annotations will be saved as a feedback file for the student to view. You'll then be returned to the assignment grading area where you can enter the student's mark. If you're using marking workflow, don't forget to change the status appropriately. For more information about marking workflow, please see the separate video. Finally, click Save Changes. You'll see a notification page that grades changes have been saved. Click Continue and you'll be returned to the assignment submissions page ready to grade the next essay. For information about releasing grades once all submissions have been marked, please see the separate video about releasing grades or about the marking workflow. If at any time before you release the grades and feedback, you want to go back and check on your annotations, or if you're the second marker of an assignment, you can go back into the grades of an assignment at any time and edit it. You will see two new options in the PDF feedback section that allow you to view the feedback online or download it as a file to read through what you've put. Or if you want to edit and add to the existing feedback, just click Annotate Submission as before, and you'll be able to keep adding to the existing annotations.